Most solar panels sold in Australia in 2026 won't even last 15 years. Here's the top 3 that we actually recommend. The solar panel is a crucial part of your overall energy ecosystem. If you had a bad performing solar panel on your roof, that would be like having a car with a faulty engine. You can give it all the fuel at once, you can give it the best tires and wheels and brakes and stuff, but ultimately, if the engine's not working as it should, then the car's not going to move very far. Exactly the same thing could be said for your solar system. If your panels aren't working the way they should, you're not going to lower your bills much, even if you have a great inverter and a great battery. So it's really important, and it often gets overlooked these days. Everybody's focusing on batteries because they're now heavily subsidized, and people are overlooking a really important part of the system, which is the solar panel. So without further ado, here's our top 3 for 2026. Number 3 is Trina Solar. Trina have been here for what seems like forever. I think the company was first formed back in the late 90s, and it's been in Australia here testing panels in Alice Springs, I think since 2008. So they've got a really good track record. They also win a lot of awards with people like Bloomberg, who are a finance organization, and they assess the bankability of different manufacturers. Trina have quite often won the award for the most bankable product in the industry, which ultimately means their warranties are very, very good and very firm. The real world testing that we've seen with our own systems has also been very good, and they've handled the recall about a decade ago in impeccable fashion, which means that if there is an issue in the future, they've been there, they've done that, and they've proven that they stand by their product and they're not going anywhere. It was really hard to put them third out of these 3, to be honest, but they did fall into the number 3 spot. So number 2, who pipped them at the post to that second position, was Aiko. Aiko often lead the way in a power class, and they were also the first panel here in Australia to bring the all-back contact, which is a very clever way of handling shade deficiencies with solar panels. In terms of the power class, just going back to that real quickly because that's a massive selling point, they're often about 25 watts or thereabouts higher in power class, meaning that they might have a 475 watt panel when others are around 450. For the same physical size, which means that you can basically get them on constrained roofs and get more power out of a smaller roof area. Number 1 is also going to be hotly contested. Not everyone's going to agree with this because they don't have the same branding and awareness as the previous 2, but our number 1 is Phono Solar. Phono Solar, in terms of real world performance, when we look at our monitoring, outperform any other panel that we've ever installed, and that's the key that really matters the most. Second to that, they're a hugely diversified company. They make container ships, they built the world's biggest hydro power station, they build agricultural machinery, they have finance divisions, parts for cars, it goes on and on and on. And because of that diversification, their warranties are very, very strong. So if the solar industry is not doing so well, and it is very volatile, it means that some of these other manufacturers might suffer a bit, whereas Phono Solar have all these other legs to stand on. So we really like them because of that diversification, but importantly because of their real world performance. They just simply seem to perform incredibly well. And we've made a longer video, which we can put a link to in the description, which explains all of this stuff in much more detail, but Phono Solar are our number 1 for 2026. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more information, please get in touch.